So this is day 3rd April 2024 and today's Leetcode daily question is word search. So here we are given with an m cross n matrix and we have to look if this matrix contain the string word such that each element, each letters are adjacent to each other in this matrix. So in this first example we can see that word is given to us A B C C E D. So it is in this matrix 3x4 matrix and all elements are adjacent. In the other example SEEC it also exists and it is also adjacent to each other. And third example we can see that A B C B, we have A B C but there is no B next to C, so it returns false. These are the constraints and we have used backtracking technique for solving this problem. And this is the code. Here we have initialized a function backtrack which has parameter I, J, K. Here I is the row, J is the column and K is the index of the word as a parameter. So first if condition says that if K is equal to length of word, indicating that the entire word has been found in the board, so it returns true. In the other if condition, this line checks if the current position ij is out of the bounds or if the character ij in the board does not matches with the character at index k in the word. If any of these conditions are true, it returns false. In the other line, the temp variable stores the original character of ij and replace it with the hashtag to mark the cell as visited. And this is the found. It will recursively explore all the 4 neighboring cells of ij to check if the word can be found by moving in any of this direction. Then the next line stores the original character ij after backtracking, and at the end we return found that indicates the word has been found or not. Let us trace the code. So here for the first example, for I in range of length of board, this will be the row and j in range of board of 0, that will be the range of column. And if backtrack ij0, this line checks the word can be found starting from the current cell of I and j using the backtrack function. So if it founds, then return true, else false. So for the first element A, and word also has first element A, so for the first backtrack I0, J0 and K0, it will be true. So we mark this ij cell as visited by hashtag and will continue to explore the neighboring cell. So B exists to its neighbor. So this found will help us to look for the neighboring element by using recursive backtracking function. So B exists next to it, so we will mark B as visited. Similarly for C, it also exists to the neighboring of B, so we will mark C as hashtag visited. Till now the direction was j plus 1 for this B and C, but now for next C it is below the existing current C. So now backtracking of I plus 1 and j k plus 1, this will return the next C, so we will mark it as visited hashtag and it will move on to the next element, that is E, which is below it, and we will again mark it as visited. And then for D, it will go j minus 1 I and k plus 1, this then it will get D, which is the last element of the word, and then the first condition k is equals to length of word will return true of this function backtracking, so the ultimate output is true. So this is the code. Let us run it. So the code is accepted, and this is my submission, and this is my solution. The link of the solution is given in the comment box. Thank you.